Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Jaspinder Kaur, Consultant Radiation Oncologist at Cancer Centers of America, Ludhiana. As we know that breast cancer is the number one cancer in females in India and world over. So now there are various modalities which are available with us for screening breast cancer, like we have mammogram, sonomammography, MRI breast, which can be done for early detection of female breast cancer. Now there are various questions and queries surrounding these screening modalities in breast cancer, which usually patients ask us. So if I go step by step talking about the first and the most common screening modality which we use in breast cancer, that is mammography. In mammography, we use low dose ionizing radiation or X-rays, I would say, for screening the breast tissue. Second modality, which is ultrasound breast, in which we use ultrasound for imaging of the breast tissue, and third is the MRI or the magnetic resonance imaging, where we use magnetic resonance and radio frequency for imaging of the breast tissue.